Did you know that in the heart of Italy lies a city so unique it's practically a work of art? Welcome to Venice, where the ordinary is extraordinary and every street is a waterway waiting to be explored. Did you know that here, history doesn't just stand still, it glides gracefully through the canals, leaving ripples of charm in its wake? So hop aboard our virtual gondola as we unravel the secrets, tales, and wonders of Venice, a city that proves dreams can be built on water and every stroll feels like a scene from a romantic novel. Welcome to Venice, a distinctive city erected on 118 separate islands, linked by a stunning network of 150 canals completely devoid of automobiles. Nestled in the heart of Italy, this city, unlike any trades the cacophony of car horns for the gentle murmuring of boat engines. In Venice, asphalted roads are replaced by canals, transforming the cityscape into a mesmerizing aquatic maze, where the stirring of waters by passing boats creates soothing rhythm. Not just the legendary gondolas, but vaporettos and water taxis too, serve as the primary vessels for movement. Their presence paints a picture of Venice's unique geography. An archipelago of miniature islands have given birth to this distinctive historic mode of commuting. Everything from daily commuting to goods transportation, even waste collection, is carried out through these boats. They stand as symbols of Venetian life, showcasing a tradition that has withstood the test of time and continues to thrive for centuries. Welcome to Venice, on 118 islands, interconnected by 150 canals and entirely void of... Venice, known not only for its unique geography but also for its rich artisanal legacy, is a city where traditional craftsmanship thrives. Venice's emblematic lace, crafted on the quaint island of Burano, signifies the city's deep-rooted artisanal spirit. This intricate lace, celebrated globally for its exceptional quality and painstaking detail, has draped the grandeur of palaces and papal residences, speaking volumes about Venice's influential status. This lacework, a symbol of elegance and sophistication, subtly narrates the city's commitment to preserving its rich cultural heritage. Similarly, the dazzling glass from Murano, another of Venice's islands, mirrors the city's vibrant essence. The diversity and beauty of Murano glass, its pristine clarity, its vibrant colors, and its exquisite designs are all reminiscent of Venice's rich cultural tapestry. This glasswork has traveled afar, reaching homes across different continents, thereby spreading the city's traditional spirit and aesthetic appeal far and wide. Venice's artisanal legacy, manifested in its lace and glass, stands as a testament to preserving its cultural roots. It's a living epitome of the fascinating fusion of past and present, a tribute to the enduring charm of handcrafted art. This is Venice, where the past and present coexist and tradition is celebrated. Venice's Grand Canal, a testament to the city's rich history and architectural splendor, is adorned by four remarkable bridges: the Rialto, Accademia, Scalzi, and Constitution. These bridges are more than just physical connections across the canal. They are timeless symbols of the city's enduring spirit, each narrating its own unique tale of Venice's past. The Rialto, aged and wise, stands as the oldest of these bridges. Once it served as the boundary between the districts of San Marco and San Polo, bearing silent witness to countless historic moments. Accademia, on the other hand, offers a beautiful canvas of the canal's panoramic views, adding color and life to the cityscape. Meanwhile, the Scalzi and Constitution aren't just architectural marvels, but vital pathways connecting the city to the train station, facilitating commutes and trade. These bridges with their individual roles and stories, intertwine to form the city's lifelines. Their mere existence enhances the city's vitality, playing a vital part in the city's lifeblood. The Grand Canal, more than a waterway, is Venice's pulsating main. Venice, a bridge between East and West, was a pivotal trade center linking Europe, Central Asia, and the Middle East. This strategic location transformed it into a unique melting pot of diverse cultures, resulting in a vibrant hub of thriving commerce. The Venetian merchants, renowned for their strategic acumen in trade, accumulated unimaginable wealth reflected in the city's grand and opulent architecture. Such a wealthy framework helped the city ascend as an emblem affluence. Interestingly, Venice wasn't just about trade and architecture, it was a city of remarkable innovation, particularly in the domains of finance, map-making, and navigation. It held the distinction of being the foundation for the public debt markets. were pioneers in embracing novel ideas, thereby revolutionizing the world of finance and navigation. Venice, not just a city, but a phenomenon. Famous for its iconic gondola, it was also the birthplace of distinguished figures such as the renowned painter Titian and explorer Marco Polo. It was a beacon of culture, attracting intellectuals and artists from far and wide. Its influence was that it continues to shape today's unique culture, architecture, and traditions. There's no denying that Venice was a city of water, but its heart was forged in gold. Its vibrant culture, innovative spirit, architecture bore testimony to its golden era. Once a city of water, Venice was indeed a city of gold. Venice, a city steeped in tradition, is known for its iconic Venetian masks and floating gondolas. These masks, with roots tracing back to the 13th century, were an integral part of the annual Carnival of Venice, a grand celebration known for its extravagance. During this carnival, the masks offered wearers a chance to experience a sense of anonymity and liberation from societal norms. As time passed on, these masks transformed from functional attributes to revered symbols, symbolizing Venice's profound admiration for heritage, art, and the fascinating allure of the unknown. On the other hand, Venice's gondolas, used for centuries as the city's primary mode of transportation, are much more than a delightful sight for tourists. These slender boats highlight the city's ingenious adaptation to its unusual surroundings and rich maritime history. These vessels showcase the intricate craftsmanship and skills passed down through generations of Venetian boat builders. They embody the spirit of innovation, resilience, and tradition deeply ingrained in the city's fabric. In essence, both the masks and gondolas are more than tourist attractions. They're symbols of a city preserving its traditions amidst constant change. Venice, with an intricate labyrinth of 150 canals linking 118 islands, is a testament to human inventiveness. This aquatic city, crisscrossed by canals, is an engineering marvel that has withstood the test of its vibrant culture, is as vivacious as a Venetian carnival, rich in history and full of life. Echoes from a powerful empire long past can still be heard in its winding streets. The cityscape is a delicate tapestry, as intricate as handmade Burano lace or the exquisite Murano glass, both iconic symbols of Venetian artistry. This testament to human resilience is also mirrored in its historic Rialto market, nearly 1,000 years old. It's more than just a marketplace, it's a symbol of Venice's indomitable spirit. The city doesn't just float on water but thrives in its aquatic environment, its unique geography to shape its destiny. Gondolas glide smoothly over its waterways, once the lifeline of a flourishing trade empire. Venetian masks, another symbol, reflects the city's love for art and mystery. Venice, a city on water, underlines human ingenuity and the power of tradition, floating on a rich history and culture.